A very good morning to you, sir.
Good
We
morning.
have here Mr. Atul Chauhan, General Manager Development, and Mr. Keshav Joshi, AGM Technical Sales of Axchem Group. Could you please tell us about your company and your products?
Yeah, Xcam as a group of SNF polymers, we are in the pulp and paper industry from last 18 years and new in India, but already 3 years for after our starting, we have around 91 customers we are catering, and we are growing very well in industry. So we are looking at polymers business, basically retention aid, dry strength, wet strength resin, fixative and sludge dewatering and hot water treatment chemicals for paper industry. So this is our.
How do you find the show here in the South edition of PaperX?
Compared to last time, it's a good response. We are seeing a huge crowd this time compared to last time. And the customer response is also very good. And their approaches and their eagerness to know what new products we are launching and how we are helping their problems to overcome and all. So in that way, it's a nice platform to explore ourselves as well as to understand the customer needs and how we can approach to them to get better environment of working for mutual benefits and all.
Do you have any product launch from your company?
Yes, recently we are announced expansion of 500 crore in Vizag plant and around 1,000 crore in Gandhidham plant. And we are adding more products to our baskets, considering to the market needs and the requirement, especially for packaging. Nowadays, everybody is concentrating on strength properties which can overcome and withhold the capacity of plastic replacement. So in that context, we are launching some gly-oxylated and PVM-based dry strengthening agents which can boost their existing level of strength properties to the next level, so that they can compete, they can replace the plastic maybe bags or tablewares or some food items, plates, cups and bowls and like that. So in that context, also apart from strengthening agents, we are also launching some pulp mill application products like cooking aids, silicone and water-based defoamers, and sizing agents,
Barrier coating,
and we are
new
exploring
development
for that.
products. Yes.
How do you ensure the quality of your products?
As a part of SNF group, we have a very quick quality control in our R&D lab. It is checked 2 or 3 times. We retain sample for quality. So we are maintaining quality with strict quality control with our R&D lab and all.
So adding to that one, since it's based France-based company, so globally we have multiple manufacturing facilities, and throughout the world, the manufacturing parameters and the requirement and customizations will be controlled by one team, so that there should not be any variation in products quality or parameters. Of course, the country-wise customization needs to be done according to the market needs. So in that way, during customization also we are in coordination with the global R&D team. We have a number of doctorates who are specialists in polymers and all. Customization is going, and globally we are coordinating to maintain the same parameters in the quality.
How is the paper industry recent growth?
Recent growth, yes, of course. Compared to world, India is a hub for everybody to grow because the per capita consumption is drastically increasing in India compared to European and American standards. Of course, their levels are high from beginning, but compared to the growth rate, CGR, if you want to know, then the percentage of growth is faster in India. So everybody is coming and investing lot of technologies in India. That will definitely help to address the volume required and the quality required for the paper Indian pulp and paper industry.
How is the technology advancement in India?
Now, of course, everybody, as per the government rules or need of the mankind, everybody is moving towards digitalization. So, artificial intelligence is playing a major role in controlling the parameters of paper making, maybe any department, any segment. So, technology wise, yes, online monitoring, online data collection, we are concentrating on data science also, because the man's words less speaks than data. So data delivers, so you need not to do any much explanation on the data. So in that way, the
Going to
technology,
AI
yes,
driven now for less manpower interference for quality and all the things. So technology is doing a very good
technology, precise controlling technology is
Yes,
must.
yes. As a chemical manufacturer, we are also doing our equipments, making equipments which are very technological, improved in that, and less manpower requirement is there. That is one.
Thank you, sir. It was a pleasure having you both here, sir. Thank you.
Thanks.